In this lesson, we'll explore the menu and navigation features of your Applaud tenant and explore the different options available to you to help you find what works for your organisation. We will cover the basics of menus and navigation templates, configuring a global primary menu, configuring a secondary menu, setting up a sub-menu, establishing mobile bottom navigation, searchable navigation, menu blocks, and navigating your platform. Applaud offers a variety of configurable menu options across the platform, allowing you to streamline the navigation process for your users. The features include primary and secondary menus, sub-menus, mobile bottom navigation, searchable navigation, and menu blocks, all designed to encourage efficient navigation for your users and improve the overall user experience. As covered in previous lessons, your Applaud platform comes equipped with a variety of best practice templates to make the build process easier, including navigation. Your template choices include mobile bottom navigation, burger bar secondary menu, homepage, and searchable navigation. We will cover the installation of these templates in this lesson. As with all templates available on your Applaud platform, installing any of them is optional. All the menu configurations can be built from scratch, and we will show you how to do that. There are two configurable aspects of your global menu, a primary menu and a secondary menu. We typically use the primary aspect of the global menu to link popular pages within your Applaud platform. Begin your process by deciding which pages are most important to you and your users. In this example, we want the following pages to appear on our primary menu: My Profile, Employee Directory, Flexible Working Requests, Request Time Off, Health Check-in, Submit Expenses, Desk Reservation, Work From Home Request, Equipment Request, and Admin Homepage. The Admin Homepage has been included to allow experienced designers and tenant admins to easily navigate the platform. Anybody without these roles assigned to them will not see the Admin Homepage as an option. To get started, head to the Menus page from your Admin Homepage. From here, select Add, located in the top right corner on desktop. The menu dialog box will appear. Enter a meaningful title for your menu. In this example, we're naming ours Popular Places and selecting Global from the menu type options. When you're happy with your selection, select Save. Under Menu Items, select Add, located in the green box. You can now link your menu item to a container of sub-items, an Applaud Cloud page, or an external hyperlink. We are selecting a container of sub-items and naming this Popular Places. We are using the pin icon. The icon color and restrict devices fields are optional and can be left blank. When you're happy with your choices, select Save. Now select Add and link this menu to an Applaud Cloud page. In the Page field, select the pages you wish to add here. In this example, we're selecting My Profile. In the Parent field, we're selecting Popular Places. This means that the My Profile page will appear under the Popular Places container in the burger menu. Continue to add as many pages as you need for your first container. In this example, we are adding Employee Directory and Admin Home. To add a secondary container, repeat the steps starting with Configure a container of sub-items. This category is called Requests. You can then reorder your menu with the drag and drop function shown. Our completed menu looks like this. When you're happy with your choices, navigate to the burger menu to the left and select Configure Primary Menu. Then enter a title, or alternatively leave it as the auto-completed default title, and select the menu you wish to use. When you're happy with your choice, select Save. You can now see your primary menu from the burger bar. Your secondary menu is best used to link to external websites or internal pages that aren't used as much. It sits below your primary menu on the burger bar. You have two options for configuring this menu. You can install or personalize the burger bar secondary menu template, or you can build and configure your own. We will show you how to do both. To build your own secondary menu, repeat the steps you used to set up your primary menu, adding containers and pages as needed. Then, when you're happy with your choices, head back to the burger menu and select Configure Secondary Menu. Give this a title and choose your menu. If you wish to use a template, navigate to the admin homepage of your platform and select the templates icon. On the templates page, select Burger Bar Secondary Menu. You will see a brief description followed by the features, usage and content for the template. Select Install. Notice that the secondary menu is automatically added to the burger bar. This can be personalised to make it your own. To do this, head back to the admin homepage and select the menus icon. You will see a menu with the title Burger Bar Secondary. Select it. Make all the relevant changes you need to make for your organisation, including changing the label of the container of sub-items. When you're finished making changes, head to the burger bar to find your new configurations. Submenus sit at the top of specified pages and are a great way to link pages with related content. There are two ways to configure a submenu, either from the menu configuration area directly, or when adding a header to a page. If you would like to add a submenu using the menus page, select Add and enter a meaningful title. Then select the submenu type. Leave the Include Page Header box unchecked, as we will explore this feature in a later lesson. Select Save and then select Add in the green box. We are using the submenu feature to link our profile, employee directory and org chart pages. To view how your submenu looks, head to one of the pages you added to your setup. Alternatively, you can set up a submenu by heading directly to the page you would like to add. In edit mode, select Add Page to Submenu from the top of the page. Select Create a New Menu from the drop-down list. Enter a name for your new menu and choose a suitable icon. Then select Save. When ready, select the pencil icon next to your new menu tab and continue to add items as you would any other menu. It's now time to configure mobile bottom navigation. This is a great way to provide anchored bottom navigation options for mobile devices for fast and one-handed access to your most useful places. Much like other menu topics covered in this lesson, you have two options to configure this setting. You can install and personalize a mobile bottom navigation template, or you can build and configure your own. You can only have one mobile bottom navigation configured at any time. To create a new one, you will need to edit your configuration or delete it and start again. To build your own, navigate to the menus page from the admin homepage. Select Add in the top right corner of the screen. Enter a name for your configuration and select Mobile Bottom Navigation, then select Save. Select the green Add button and add pages the same way that you would for the previous steps in the lesson. You can add a maximum of 4 pages for mobile bottom navigation. In this example, we're adding flexible working request, request time off, submit expenses, and health check-in. When you're happy with your choices, head to your platform on a mobile device If you would like to use the template option, head back to the admin homepage and select the templates icon. Locate the mobile bottom navigation template and select Install. After installation, find your mobile bottom configuration on the menus page. Swap out any menu items where necessary. Then check out how your configuration looks on a mobile device. The searchable navigation template works in harmony with your global search objects. This means that every search item you set up in the global search will be visible from the global search bar, unless you specify filters to refine the audience. If you would like a reminder on how to set up a global search item, check out our global search lesson. When you set up search objects, you have the option to filter who can and can't see them in the search results. For example, you may wish to make the person model available to search for managers and other senior roles, but not employees. In this case, you can instruct the search object to filter out the employee role as shown here. When you select the searchable navigation template, the platform installs a navigation model and 3 navigation pages as part of the package. Included is the About navigation page, explaining the difference between navigation and menus, the navigation page, hosting a form for you to input navigation items, and the navigation items page, a page hosting a list of your navigation items where you can edit, delete, or add items. The items you see here have been added using the navigation items form. When you have added your navigation items to this section, you can then use them on as many pages as you like to create the appearance of tiled navigation. To add navigation to a page, head to the page you would like to use. Select the Add Content button and select the list block, linking this to the navigation model. You are then free to play around with the layout options until you find what's right for you. You can also add filters to refine your audience. The menu content type acts as a portal on your page to link related content. For example, you may have a knowledge base article covering how to submit expenses and request equipment. You may want to include a menu portal to link all the items you mention in the article. To set up a menu block, you need to have a sub-menu already set up. To get started, head to the page you would like to add a menu block to. Select the Add Content button in Edit mode, and select the menu type, giving this a meaningful title. Now select your menu from the drop-down list and select Save. Select Grid from the Layouts field. With the preferred width as full length. Then select Update. Continue to add menu configurations until you're happy that the end user can have the best HR experience possible across all devices. Then navigate your platform to get a feel for your new choices.
Congratulations! You have successfully completed this tutorial. Learn more by checking out Applaud Academy and our knowledge base at support.applaudsolutions.com.